Young women who are approaching the age of puberty could lower their risk of breast cancer if they avoided high-fat diets. This is according to researchers from Michigan State University who have published their findings in the journal Breast Cancer Research. They suggest that consuming a diet with elevated levels of saturated animal fats not only accelerates the development of breast cancer, but can also increase an individual's risk of developing the disease. Through experiments on mice, the investigators discovered that only 3 weeks after starting the high-fat diet, mice already showed changes in the breast, including a rise in cell growth and changes to the immune cells. They note that these changes are permanent and could lead to the rapid development of precancerous lesions, and eventually breast cancer itself. Another troubling factor that the investigators uncovered is that this type of diet resulted in a distinct gene signature in tumors consistent with a small group of cancers that are known as basal-like, or triple-negative breast cancer. Unfortunately, basal-like cancers are also especially aggressive forms of the disease, growing faster and more likely to metastasize early in development. It's not surprising that the prognosis for women diagnosed with these types of cancer can be poorer than other types. Surprisingly, the changes to the breast tissue occurred regardless of whether or not the mice had gained weight. Co-author of the study, Richard Schwartz, adds, "It's important to note that since our experimental model did not involve any weight gain from the high-fat diet, these study findings can apply to a much broader segment of the population than to just those who are overweight. This demonstrates that the culprit is the fat itself rather than the weight gain."